Welcome to part 3 of the RumbleDeck installation videos. So this time I'm going to show you the Decky plugin. So as you see, as soon as you do some settings, notifications pop up. Something's sometimes annoying. So the first button you press, toggle motors, will trigger the motors, so you see if they are working. This is the most important button in all of this. Below that you see initialize drivers. If for some reason the driver is not initialized on startup, you can initialize it manually. Use mux, it's a setting for later, just ignore it for now. So below that we have very important settings. You see overdrive offset. I've set it to 10. This is fine-tuning and how the motors are being driven. See the data sheet for more infos. Yes. There are also some explanations below the settings, so you can just try some settings out. Just don't set it too high at the beginning. Start low and then try out some settings how you like it. You can also read the settings from the driver. If you accidentally set something and you to write it to the driver, you press apply. Below that is the waveform synthesizer. Here you build your own rumble effects. You select the library and then you select up to 8 sequences, so either effects or breaks in between the effects. So you see in my case I selected library 2 and effect number 1, and yeah, I will just delete this weight portion, also the second effect. Yeah, you can also add more effects with the add step button. So to play the sequence, you click apply and play, and you can also save your presets if you like and delete them. So below that, very important, the rated voltage and the overdrive clamp. These need to be matched to the motor used. The settings you see there are fitted to the rumble stick. If you use different motors, you need to match those. They are complicated formulas, but Texas Instruments provides an convenient Excel sheet for this. So the next settings are diagnostics and safety. So as you see, it used to work. Now it seems to be broken. I need to fix this. It tells you if there's something wrong between the connection of the motor and the driver. And also if you read status, yeah, so stand by if you want to save power and turn off the driver. And you can set high Z if you, for example, connect an H bridge and another motor, so that's useful. You can leave these off if you don't modify the setup. So yeah, next settings, you see advanced page. I am trying to pack this nicely in sub pages, but I suck at programming, so this is the work in progress. Just ignore this for now. Ignore the advanced pages. The settings, yeah, there's another advanced page. Ignore this too. It's basically the same. Yeah, so auto start sniffer. If you want the Rumble sniffer to auto start on Decky startup or be on every restart, and with the setting below that sniffer on off, you can just turn the Rumble sniffer on and off. And the driver has a very nice feature. It can monitor the battery supply voltage. Unfortunately, I need to calibrate this. So yeah, it will be working with the next update of the plugin.